You'll see in just a minute what we're about to unveil.
Un momento, por favor.
All right, another beautiful day here in Phoenix, Arizona. About 75 degrees, clear skies. I'm on my way to meet a couple other Chick-fil-A operators. We have got this incredible thing that we just bought, and we are going to unveil it today, and you will see it across the skies of Phoenix. So be prepared. This is pretty epic. All right, I'm a little early. The rest of the crew should be here shortly for the surprise. Where are we at, Bruce?
We are at the inaugural inflating of our balloon here in Phoenix.
Yeah, this is it. Inside this bag is a 90,000 cubic foot, 80-foot tall hot air balloon. So it'll come to life. And even though it's the size of an 8-story building, it's just fabric and air.
Look at there.
Yeah, nice for
About to
a
fly the
pilot
balloon.
again, right?
What's that in the air? It's a bird, it's a plane, it's a... Eat more chicken, baby. All right, be on the lookout for more Chick-fil-A balloon flying across the skies of Phoenix. We will have prizes and maybe even some free chicken coming your way, so stay tuned for more.
Balloon with our trucks and with the balloon in the background.
You didn't get...